Starting my Hamburg city tour felt like stepping into a vibrant tapestry woven with history, culture, and modernity. Hamburg, known as Germany's gateway to the world, is a city that thrives on its maritime heritage, and you can feel this energy from the moment you arrive. The day began early with a walk through the Speicherstadt, the world's largest warehouse district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The red brick warehouses, with their Gothic Revival architecture, stood tall against the backdrop of the city's many canals. The smell of coffee from nearby cafes mingled with the crisp morning air as I strolled along the cobblestone streets. The sun was just beginning to peek through the clouds, casting a golden hue on the brick facades, making the whole scene feel almost magical. From there, I made my way to the Elbphilharmonie, one of Hamburg's most iconic landmarks. This modern concert hall, perched atop a historic warehouse, is a stunning blend of old and new. The glass structure sparkled in the daylight, reflecting the cityscape in its curved surfaces. I took the escalator, known as the Tube, up to the plaza, a public viewing platform. The view from the top was breathtaking. The Elbe River stretched out before me, with ships of all sizes moving gracefully through its waters. The city's skyline, with its mix of historic churches and modern buildings, was a sight to behold. Next on my list was a visit to the St. Michael's Church, or Michel, as the locals call it. This Baroque-style church is one of Hamburg's most famous landmarks. Climbing the 132-meter-high tower was a bit of a workout, but the panoramic views of the city were well worth the effort. From up there, I could see the contrast between the city's industrial port areas and its green parks and gardens. As the day progressed, I wandered through the Jungfernstieg, a bustling promenade along the inner Alster lake. The area was filled with people enjoying the sunshine, shopping, or simply relaxing by the water. I couldn't resist the lure of the Alster boat tour, which provided a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Gliding along the serene waters of the Alster, surrounded by grand villas and lush greenery, I felt a deep sense of tranquility. To cap off the day, I headed to the Sternschanze district, known for its alternative vibe and vibrant nightlife. The streets were alive with energy, filled with colorful street art, quirky shops, and cafes. I found a cozy spot in one of the local eateries and indulged in some traditional German food, bratwurst and pretzels, paired with a locally brewed beer. Hamburg is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, the serene with the bustling, and it's this dynamic contrast that makes it so captivating. Every corner of the city tells a story, and my first day there left me eager to discover more.